It's easy to make these little chalkboard wall art signs out of just regular poster board, black poster board, and some chalk. Let me show you how. Okay, so the camera may be a little wobbly, but please bear with me because I'm trying to get it. So you're going to take your poster board, roll it out, and I'm going to cut off a bit to show you how. So you're going to just take your poster board like this and just cut. While I'm cutting this, I'm going to talk to you about some of the gang stalking comments. A lot of what they're doing is trying to take credit for my work, and they're saying that they were going to re-edit my videos for me. If you notice, if you Google Cup of Java Productions or go to Pinterest, I have a lot of previously done articles and videos that I took down that no one helped me with. It was just me doing it. So I don't know how, maybe I attracted the wrong type of attention and they thought they could come into my life and destroy me so that they could take credit for my work. I'm letting you folks know that I wrote those articles years and years ago, and I had these videos up years ago, and they're still online. There's no way anyone else can take credit for it. I was writing under S.J. Johnson and also Cup of Java Productions, so no one can take credit for my work. I think, you know, at this point, they're becoming, you know, their ideas are far-fetched. So if you don't have an eraser like this, you can get this from the dollar store, and a box of chalk. You can always use just a hand towel. But like I said, their ideas are getting weirder as it goes along. So to season it, I call this seasoning it, getting it ready for the chalk. You just erase like this. Now, if you want, you can write on it without seasoning it. But if you're going to do a lot of writing, you might want to season it. So if you just wrote on the black poster board, you could just write it this way. You see how that kind of, you could just write it out that way. And you could do all sorts of art with it. But if you want to, you can season it. Once you season it like this, it gives you that chalkboard look. So this to me looks more like chalk written on poster board. But if you want to have that really authentic chalkboard look, you season it up like this. And I'm going to give it that look. Sort of when you were a kid and you were in school, and I don't know if they still have chalkboards the way they used to, with everyone having like tablets and laptops. But we used to have to wash the chalkboards and keep the chalkboards clean. So if you want that sort of authentic chalkboard look, this is what you would do. Okay, so that's love. And then you can just put it in a frame like so. So guys, I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.